Welcome to Spider e-learning. My name is Manish Kadam. I am technical analysis expert from Spider Software. As we have seen a trading setup using rainbow moving averages and ADX, I would like to show you how we have formed this strategy with the help of rainbow moving average and ADX. Whenever an exponential moving average is taken on the chart with the input of that moving average, we are taking another exponential moving average, and likewise we are forming this setup. I will show you with the help of chart. I am taking one moving average. It's exponential moving average of 3 minutes. I am taking the color as per my own liking, and I am applying this moving average on the chart. Now, for the sake of intraday traders, I am telling you this chart is of 5 minutes. On 5 minute time frame, we are taking average exponential 3. Now, to form a rainbow, I am taking one more moving average, E3. While applying this moving average, I am taking input of the previous moving average and I am adding over it. Same process I am repeating 5 times because I need it in the layer of 5. Third time I am applying, again fourth time, and one more last time. With the help of this 5 layer, intersection of all these moving averages will form a perfect entry signal, and intersection downside of these all moving averages will form a perfect sell signal. Now, whenever I am searching the stock with buy signal or entry signal, I need certain indication on the chart. For that, I am adding one more tool. By which I can easily identify where is my entry signal and where is my exit signal. Now, on the chart you can see whenever all these averages are intersecting each other, a buying signal, a B signal has been formed, and if you will see a perfect selling signal, you can see all the moving averages cutting down each other and intersecting at a single point. At that point, a sell signal has been formed. Now, for both the signal buying and selling, you need a confirmation. So whenever a price trend is giving you breakout, to confirm that trend, to confirm that whenever you are entering, what will be your target or what will be your stop loss, to confirm that you need a supporting indicator. I am applying directional moving index on 5 minute time frame, and I'll watch whenever I am taking a signal, whenever I am taking a entry, whenever I am taking entry into particular stock, the other indicator, ADX indicator, is supporting that trend or not. Now you can watch Dr. Reddy, all these moving averages are cutting each other at approximately around 10-15. Buying signal with the help of rainbow moving averages is formed. Parallel to that, at the same time, ADX green line is cutting ADX red line upward. So this intersection of ADX is also important. At this point you can see ADX started rising, plus DI started rising. ADX is also forming a supportive trend to that particular stock, and parallelly the stock is going above from an entry point of 2763 to 2794 and 2800 also. So approximately around 30 to 40 points rally has been given by Dr. Reddy stock in 5-minute time frame, and within the span of say 2 hours we got approximately around 40 rupees rally in Dr. Reddy. If we calculate, Dr. Reddy is having lot size of 250, and if we multiply 250 into 40, that will be our entire earning for that particular trade. So within the time frame, within 2 hours we got this much profit from Dr. Reddy by following this simple trading setup of rainbow moving average and ADX. The people who wanted to take target stop loss with the help of software itself, we have support resistance level automated in the software. You can follow that. Now you can see after the entry point, pivot point was at approximately 2779, and there was a R1 resistance 1 which was approximately around 2794. If people who have entered after 2765 can got a profit booking exit signal at 2780, 2790 or 2800. There are 3 exit signals which has been given by software, so people can book profit over there, and people who are more aggressive buyer can trade above R1 to R2 also and till R4 also. So that kind of a mechanism is also there in the software. Software will give you all these levels automated on the chart. Now this is all about the forming a trading setup with the help of rainbow moving averages and ADX. Friends, I hope you like this video of trading setup of rainbow moving average and ADX. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.